Hey everyone, so here's a new trending character AI app called DIPPY AI. So here's the app, DP Roleplay AI Friend Chat. So yeah, this is a new trending app in this category. Chat with your AI friends, discover new characters, create and share your own chat that feels alive, customizable widgets. DP brings true AI friends and characters to your home screen. Your AI friends know your likes, dislikes, interests, inner thoughts, and encourage you to be the best version of yourself. Immerse yourself in a creative journey with diverse AI personas, from crafting your ideal companion to immersive role playing. How it works: add the DP widget to your home screen. Your friends pop up on the widget with interesting questions related to your day. Tap on one of the answers to start chatting. Best in class experience, the most engaging, empathetic, and fun chat immersion. All your friends actively learn more about you and have perfect memory. Cool illustrations that showcase their mood based on what they're thinking. Characters that feel alive and playful. Immerse yourself. Live adventures with your AI as your ultimate companion. Explore fantasies, chat with 24/7 friend for support, and redefine your connection with AI. Fully customize your experience. Choose from 15 different colors and name your character wherever you want. So here is the app, and let's just take a look at it. Here's how it looks like. So I already created my account, so I set up my profile, and then yeah, you just have different characters. So for example, yeah, you can just go and chat now. You can pin the profile, and then you can just start chatting. So then you just reply in here. As you can see, they have very like easy uh, interface. It's not as complicated as a like Talkie or Character AI. It has at the moment few very simple options. You can clear chat, you can clear character memory, you can view your memories. But then to view your memories, you just need to upgrade monthly $10, and then yeah, you will be charged for that. So here it is, and then yeah, you just have um, that's just what it is. Um, and then yeah, you can just pick for me, and then you have like some suggested answers, and that's basically how you chat in this app. So that's the idea here, and that's how you can just entertain yourself in this app. And then there is your home. You can just swipe around just like that. Then you can enable dark mode, but then you need to upgrade. And then you just have your profile here. You're an OG, so this is just like a reward here, super user. So they have some rewards, and then yeah, you can just try as well to create your account. So for example, just create their account. So you can just enter. So here you can then just set it up, just all of these, and then just character first message, you can just generate it, and then you just do it everything for you. You create image prompt. I mean, the app creates image prompt for you. And then yeah, you just create an image, and then you just enter the name. And then yeah, you can just publish it just like that. Of course, you can make it private or public in the bottom just as you decide. So yeah, that's just like the idea here. And then yeah, so then you just have your characters, and then you can just tap to edit it if you wanna. And then yeah, you can just publish it again, so you can just very quickly copy paste it. So that's super easy to do here as well. So you just do that. So now yeah, you just have it. So now you can see one of those is private, and then you can also delete character just like that. And there you have it. So now you have a character, and let's see, then maybe yeah, we'll see some stats and analytics. Then you have your account. You can install Safari extensions, you can add widgets, you can connect Apple Health. You can also delete your account here in DIPPY AI, so you can just do it from the top right. You can select model. If you want to select additional model, you just select it from here. So that's just what you have. And then you can just tap to chat with this character. Just so that's basically the idea here. And then yeah, you will see number of conversations, and that's what it is. You can always edit it, and that's the idea. So yeah, that's just what you can do in the app here. Then you can also customize a character in a way, and that's basically the idea of it. So yep, there you have it. That's just what you have. And yeah, then you just swipe around and discover new characters. So that's basically what is it to this app. So you can just go also to some reviews and see what people are saying about this app. So most recent, too many ads, would not recommend. I like the app. A crate that won't respond, some glitches with a character. You can reach out to their support at support@DPAI. So some people complain that there are a lot of ads. So yeah, but I mean, it's getting somewhere. It's getting some traction on TikTok. It's not yet in the top charts, so probably, well, it's not that well maintained as Character AI or Talkie AI. So that's just not that yet. But yeah, here, yeah, you can just see that. And there are a bunch of alternative apps. But yeah, that's just what you have. So hope this is helpful.